Welcome back to another color testing video. So we're going to change it up a little bit today. I got this liquid watercolor paint from Colorations. I've seen some people use this in slime. I'm going to try it in the clear though. Normally we do like the pigment powder color in the clear, and this is our cloudy clear. It's like super overactivated and it's been sitting there, but wanted to grab it for this just to kind of check this out, see if it'll work. We're going to do the blue and the tangerine, so maybe an orange. So we'll start with the orange. Why not? We'll, grab this. Put that there. You see, it's like our cloudy clear is like super overactivated. But it's not too bad, and I can mess with it. Oh, don't forget, put your freaking gloves on. This stuff is something else. I will say that. So, I don't know. Oh, God. I just got it all over the desk. Let's see here. I don't know if this is should mix, will mix. I don't know. We're about to find out. It's definitely it's actually not bad looking. I mean, you get that. I think with the pigment color, the powder pigment, it really takes over the clear slime, where this is more translucent from like the watercolor. You could probably put some more in there. I didn't really put a lot. Here, let's throw some more in there. Why not, right? Okay, that's I put a good bit. I put a good bit in there. Let's see if we can get this to go a little darker. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. That's not bad. I kind of like that. That's not. Again, the last color testing video we did, we had red and green. The red came out pink, like a bubble gum. Was not what I was expecting, but this is actually kind of cool. I actually like this orange. Sorry, getting all the spillage down on the table. What do you guys think? I like that actually. It's actually really cool looking. Oh, I didn't think this watercolor would mix into this clear. Huh. All right. Well, here, I'll throw this one right there. All right, let's do the blue. I'm actually kind of really excited for this blue. All right, so let me close the lid on this so I can just see that going everywhere. So, again, Colorations liquid watercolor paint. That orange actually seems to be getting darker as it sits. I'm throwing a little more extra blue in because we had to do the extra, and it just went everywhere on the table. Here, so I'll move that out of the way so you guys can see. It's actually, yeah. I'm impressed. Not what I was expecting. Actually, pretty cool outcome. I wasn't crazy about the red and green in last week's color testing video. The green was like a line. It was cool. I mean, I could see doing like a lemon lime slime, which would be kind of cool. This is freaking gorgeous though. Look at that. That's freaking, I just got it all over my arm. See, that's why you wear the gloves, man. That's why you wear the gloves. Gotta wear the gloves. I don't know, this is actually really freaking cool. That shimmer. I mean, the pigment's amazing. Don't get me wrong. Like, I love the pigment we use in our slimes. Like, it's a really great pigment color. It gives more kind of like a metallic color base. This is straight up like clear color in the slime. But there's the blue. Let's I'll show you guys the orange one more time. There's the I like the orange too. I was about to say I love the orange, but like not what I was expecting based on this color change. Huh. Color, who would have known? Watercolor paint. All right, so you know what we do? We have to, I don't really want to mix these. All right, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take half just so I can put this away in a container. And like, we're still gonna mix the two, but I'm just, because I'm so impressed with how this turned out, I want like a little sample. All right, so we got the blue, we got the orange. Mix that in. It's turning green. I love it. I love it. Really freaking cool. Really cool, really cool. All right, there you go. So, Colorations liquid water color paint. Thank you guys for watching. We're having a great time doing the slime. We really are. Like, all the views, all the comments. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet. Hit the follow button if you're watching this on TikTok. We appreciate everybody. We really do. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.